Welcome guys. Today I'm going to be showing you the top 3 stocks I'm going to be looking at this week. Today is January the 8th, 2018. Let's get to it. And here you have it. First off, we're going to go with Ball Corporation, ticker symbol BLL. And I'm looking to buy roughly around $38.50, sell at $40.50. That's about $2 for a gain of 5.2%. And all this can fluctuate up or down depending on how the market opens and so forth. All right, guys, so here is my Thinkorswim app on my tablet, which I absolutely love, along with my Thinkorswim on my phone. I don't use a computer one because I just kind of don't like it, so I kind of use this one and the one on the phone the most. So let's get started. So this is Ball Corporation. As you can see, it has a nice little dip, and it is on its way. It shows a nice little foundation around the $38.50, so that's where I'm planning to buy. As you can see, the slow stow, I use this pretty heavily. I use the 14-day. It popped over the 20. Now, I usually like to buy it right when it hits the 20 mark. But in this case, I think it's been kind of lingering around this area. So I think it's still a good buy, potential buy at this spot. Now, the reason I want to sell it around the 40.50 is just because of the, that's where it kind of lingered around a few weeks back, and I kind of just seen it bounce back and forth in the future. So that's where I'm at with this one. All right, next up we got Exelon Corporation, and for this guy, same price, $38.50. I know it's kind of weird. That usually never happens, but I'm looking to buy at $38.50 and then sell at 41 flat, and for a profit of 6.5%. Let's look into it. All right, here we have Exelon Corporation, and as you can see, it's still below the slow stow 20, which I absolutely look at, the 14-day. And it looks like also the volume weight MACD is going to cross over the volume line. It's going to do a little crossover there. And as you can see, it pumped a lot of volume today. So I think it is going to pop quite a bit up into the 41 mark, which is right here. And why the 41? As you can see, it's just lingering around over here. So I'm always looking for the nice little dips with the good companies that have a slow stow below 20. Last but not least, and the one I'm really been looking at for the past few days, is Viacom, ticker symbol VIAB. And I'm looking to buy that one at 29, sell around 32 for a 10% profit. So I'm really looking at this one. 10% is a good amount. So I'm looking into it. Let's look. All right, guys, and this is the one I'm really excited about. Viacom. So it recently just dropped, but I think that's just temporary. I might wait, depending on how it opens tomorrow. I might actually just wait to see. And I've been watching it since all the way over here. You know, it was above, and it crossed over the 70 line on the slow stow 14. So it crossed down. So I just have my eye on it. So I have a feeling it is going to pop right back up to the 31 mark. I don't see it dropping too much below this, so it's not too much of a risk on what I think. And as you can see, and it has a little a reversal signal. Has a little doji here. So I'll look at it tomorrow morning at the open and take it from there. But I do want it to drop a little bit more, like in the 29 mark. And so at the 30, from 31 to 32 mark. So I'm hoping to get a nice little gain on this one. There you have it, guys. My 3 top stocks for this week. Now just keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not recommending you to buy or sell any of these stocks. Just showing you what I'm thinking of buying and selling this week. So with that said, have a good week and I'll see you in the comments. Ciao.